OMG, you guys, I think my package just came from Shop Miss A. So I'm on the way to the mail room to get my package. I'm so excited. It's snowing and all, and I still want to get this package today. Alright, you guys. So they have the system here where you have to put in the pin and then it will come out in one of these. So we're gonna see. Alright, so I'm about to put in it. It came out in this one. Alright, look at guys. My package is here. Shop Miss A. I'm so excited to do an unboxing for you guys. Look it. Oh my god! I'm about to go back into the room and I'm going to unbox this. I just literally got. So I'm going to go back into the room and unbox this for you guys because I love you. Then I'm going to edit this later. So I just got back in the room, and so now I'm going to unbag this because it's not a box. I can't unbox this. I'm so excited, you guys. Wow. They packaged this really, really well. So this is the first thing you see when you unpackage this. There's nothing else in here, I don't think. Oh wait, I guess like my slip and everything I got. Oh, and it's cool because they make sure that that you got everything. So they reassure that they put everything in the package. So this is the second part of the packaging. I just took the bubble wrap off, and they have their logo right here with this nice. I ripped it up, but it was nice when it first came in. And then they have another layer of packaging just to make sure that everything doesn't break. Just know that if you shop with Shop Miss A or Shop Miss A, that everything is going to be not broken and packaged correctly. Alright. Okay, you can stop. I got this fan brush right here. And all of their brushes come in numbers. This is the F17. I got this makeup mirror that I thought was going to be way bigger, but I got this studio hand mirror right here from AOA. A jelly silicone sponge. I've always wanted one of these so bad, and I finally bought one. I got this little tote. It's like a makeup tote to put all your like brushes or whatever products that you want to use in here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put my beauty blenders and my brushes in this bag. I got this contouring kit. This contouring kit was $1. Like, look at the packaging on this. Like, this was $1. So, oh my gosh. And so this is going to come to the end of my video. I got 2 concealers. I have an eyeshadow primer. I bought another foundation. What is this? Oh, I got an eyebrow pencil from AOA. A lot of this stuff is all from AOA because they have their own brand. I bought another concealer right here. This is a primer, mattifying primer. This is a blurring primer. I bought a setting powder. I bought setting powder. And I brought an eyebrow pomade. And all of the stuff was $1. The only thing that wasn't $1 was this. And that's because it came in two brushes in one. So, this is the end of my video, guys. I hope you guys like my unpackaging, I guess, because it's not a box. And I hope you guys continue to watch and be a part of the MB Club. So, peace out.
Meant to be, but jealousy get the best of me. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes. Yeah, always make the same mistakes, 'cause